I'm here in Tyndale Avenue in Yate, where we've recently planted 34 new trees along the avenue, which have made a huge difference to the landscapes, people's well-being, and also are an important part of our climate emergency work.
The trees look very nice, and especially in the summer as well, when they all, the leaves come back on and be very pretty. And I think they should have more of them as well.
We've been logging the position of trees since 2020 using our tree plotter here, so we know exactly what's been planted where, to make sure that once the trees are planted, they're then looked after properly.
I water my tree, I feed it, and also I put some flowers on the inside just to make it a little bit more prettier.
Across Yate as a whole in the last year or so, we've planted about 800 trees, and across South Gloucestershire we've actually planted something like 3,700 standard trees, the same number of whips, and other departments within the council have planted an equivalent number. Like this beautiful hornbeam behind me, this new tree will be adding to the landscape for generations to come, improving biodiversity, helping with our carbon emissions, and also adding a splash of colour.